right, about to go live. What's up, traders? Happy Friday. We made some money today. We are up $10,787 and growing. Let me check in on our short positions. We took some shorts, as you know, against Peloton and Zoom. Now they went up. They dropped 10%, made a bunch of money, then they went back up 8%, came back down, then went back up another 10%. So we kind of took a hit a little bit. Now it's come back down to negative 6% today. After hours, I think we're going to sell off a portion of it to lower our risk because it's eating up our margin. So we had an overall gain on that for $1,500 today between Zoom and Peloton, although we already had some losses, so we're still down about $1,000. But I believe those are going to continue to go down, but it looks like they're fluctuating up and down. They're bouncing right now. If you were paying attention to what I've been saying all week and you're watching TMV, you would be up today quite a bit because TMV spiked again. We actually are making money on our options we placed with TMV, and those options are up $1,000, which is great. And TMV itself was down earlier in the week, so if you bought that and bought an option earlier, you spiked today and you would be profitable at the moment. Now we're going to sell those probably Monday because that's either after hours. We're going to sell off like half of it after hours. I sold off some of the shares, but our options, I think we're going to sell because that's going to pop back down again and then it'll pop back up. So it's a great swing trade stock, which means you buy on the low, sell on the high. And in the inverse, we keep small amounts of shares of TMF because that's the antithesis of TMV in that bond yields are going to go down. Then that is currently negative right now, but if we buy that prior to the next pop, we will then be able to offset the swing. So you want to buy what's losing money at the moment between TMV and TMF, which is TMF, so that the next trading day you'll be profitable there and set a trailing stop loss on your TMV, or to sell if you believe it's peaked. So we sold some of it at the peak today, and it's continued to peak after. So we'll see on Monday. It could be that we may have another down day on Monday, and then the rest will be green because of the bond yields. But let's find out. In addition to that, if you saw the post, this is about us paying you to trade. Now we're not technically paying you to trade, but we are doing a forgivable loan to people that want to follow us and trade with us and help us make more money, and so we make money together. Now, how that works, you can see a video on our blog on starttrading.com, and if you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you can follow us when you see new videos coming out. We are recruiting traders to basically join us. Oh, I want to pause. We're recruiting traders to basically join us in our journey in trading stocks. And there's so many trades we want to be in that I thought it'd be more effective if I do a forgivable loan out to individuals that are looking to make money that maybe just don't have the funds themselves. And I will pick the stocks, you trade them, and because I can't keep an eye on every single stock I want to be in, but there's all these great companies I want to be in, over 150 of them. So the name of the game is to make money and education. So you get anywhere from $400 to $600 from us to deposit in a new account. So if you sign up for a new account, you have to use our links for either WeBull, Robinhood, or if you are in Europe, use Naga for the CopyTrading platform. This is for cryptocurrencies and Forex. And if you're in the US, use eToro. And you sign up for these two or one of either Naga or eToro, and then we will transfer funds for you. And those funds, you get to keep 50% of all the profit. We keep 50%, and as well as the initial funds we gave to you. Now, the only caveat is you have to use those funds to trade. You cannot just export the funds. So you'll have an agreement, you'll have to sign around that, etc., so that you just take the money and run. But who cares? $400. Wouldn't you much rather make $20,000 or $400,000? So that's the goal. So we're going to take this $400 to $600. If you are constantly profitable, we will, based on your trades, we will increase the money we're giving to you to trade, and thereby increasing your on-hand income that you'll be able to trade with and generate profits from, also increasing your loan size, and then we will slowly take profits. And you'll learn how to trade, when to purchase, how to pick the companies initially, how to pick the companies, when to trade, when to purchase, when to sell, and when to take profits, just in the simple process here of us giving you money, essentially. So if you're interested in this, just sign up for one of the accounts down in our SIG, and then DM us over on Instagram with your account information. And we will go through the process. We'll need some information from you to vet you and all that, of course. But then we'll go through a process, and we will literally give you money. So it's a win-win-win-win situation. We, of course, when you sign up for the accounts, you'll get 2 free stocks. Thereby, we will get 2 free stocks, and we'll instantly make money just in that alone. And we'll show you the power of investing along the way. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Anybody's welcome, as long as you're following us, you actively want to post about us, and you actively want to sign up for an account through our links, you are eligible. Okay, so we're only doing 5 to 10 people initially. Okay, we already have a bunch of people signed on, but we can't take everybody. This is initial, but we will be doing this again shortly. So we'll do today or this week through next week. Likely we'll choose the participants at least by the end of the month. And then the following month, if it's successful, we'll probably do it again. So just stay tuned. Please like or subscribe, and keep trading out there. So, and my tip for the day, besides the TMV aspect, SOXL is down. SOXL is an awesome swing trade because that thing will spike up 10 or 20% in a day, 10 to 15%. And once it does that spike, you know to sell. So it'll only spike for like 1 or 2 days. You sell it, and you buy back in once it drops down. So that's my tip for today. And also CCIV appears to be somewhat flat, which means it could have a pop soon here. I wasn't expecting flat. So thank you very much, and keep trading.